Dear student, welcome to latest online class. This is Tariqul Islam, lecturer of Public School and College. Today we will discuss about satellite and optical fiber. You know that network is not restricted to an organization or not limited to a city or a country. It has spread out to the whole world. That is, a signal reaches from any place of the world to another place. If the distance is near, it can be sent through the electric wire, but when it is necessary to send the signal from one place to farthest corner of the world, satellite or optical fiber is the most effective way. Here shown the picture of satellite, the floating communication of satellite on space. Satellite is situated away from the land to the space is 22,000 mile or 36,000 kilometer. Satellite. Now we will discuss about satellite. Satellite moves around the earth while floating on the space. As it moves for the gravitation, no fuel or energy is spent to keep it moving on space. So we no need to any fuel or energy is spent to keep it moving on space. The Earth makes a complete circle through its own orbit by 24 hours. Orbit means this is the orbit, this is the orbit. If it is possible to make the satellite move around the earth, it will be through from the earth, that is, remain motionless in a place in the sky. The satellite is called the geostationary satellite. It cannot be placed in any height. It should be placed in a certain orbit at least about 36,000 kilometers. That is, previously we discussed about the range 22 miles or 22,000 miles or 36,000 kilometers high from the ground. So we know, we will remind that a satellite is situated from the ground 36,000 kilometers or 32 miles away from the ground. Once a geostationary satellite is sent to the space, signals from one corner of the world are sent there, and the satellite send it to the other corner. This signal can be sent through the radio, telephone, mobile phone, and the the signal can be sent through the radio, telephone, mobile phone, and the internet. When geostationary satellite was set up on the space in 1964, a new era was opened in the field of communication. There are two kinds of problems in sending information through satellite. As the satellite stay far above the world, high antennas are needed to send signals there. The second problem is a different one. The signal sent from the earth is a wireless signal, and though it moves as fast as light, it takes some time to cross the long distance. That that is why in telephone conversation the speech is not heard instantly. It is received a bit later. Then we discuss about optical fiber. Optical fiber is a kind of thin plastic glass. Light signal is sent through the optical fiber as electrical signal is sent through the electric wire. There must be a question: how is light signals sent through the optical fiber? By this time, you have already learned an infrared light. Through this infrared light signal is sent through the optical fiber. Here shown optical fiber send data through the glass. Its speed as same as light. First, electric signal is transformed into light signal. Then the light signal is sent through optical fiber. On the other side, light signal is transferred to electric signal. In this way, signal can be sent through optical fiber. It is possible to send a large number of signals through optical fibers. You will be surprised to know that thousands of telephone calls can be sent just through a single optical fiber. Here shown on the wall map. Uh, this is optical fiber line. This is optical fiber line to the sea area. The name of submarine cable, which Bangladesh is connected to the world wide, is CME wire 4. Now, nowadays communication through optical cables, optical fiber has been so developed that all the countries of the world are connected to each other through the network of optical fiber. Most of the time, the fiber is taken from one continent to another under the sea water. Under the sea water, every optical fiber communication is set up. It is called submarine cable. The satellite signal can move fast like the highest velocity of light. When it moves through the optical fiber, the velocity decreases one-third. In spite of that, the signal can be sent from one part of the farthest corner of the world very quickly through the optical fiber because the signal need not return from the satellite, staying about 36,000 km up in the space. So, today we will discuss about optical fiber and we will discuss about satellite. Most important topics of the chapter. You will read these two topics carefully. This image shows satellite and this is optical fiber cable. So, in this chapter, previously we discussed LAN card, we discussed modem, network related more devices. In previous classes, we will discuss router, we will discuss about hub, we will discuss different topics chapter. So in next class we will discuss about chapter chapter third chapter, safe and ethical use of information and communication technology. So next chapter we will discuss about safe and ethical use of information and communication technology. Homework is a simple question is your homework on to homework simple questions 1 to 9.